Okay, so explaining what this job is about is very simple. First of all, we have an Excel spreadsheet with all the information needed, and also we need to go to this website, which is www.sunbiz.org, and then we're going to go to search records, and then we're going to click on name. Okay, so here is the website that we are going to use to find all these names of the company on the left, and then we're going to use this yellow space to place the first name and the last name attached to each one of these company names on the left. So this is a very simple process. I'm going to show you a few examples because they are a few things that can happen when you are searching for the company name. So let's start. First of all, you're going to copy the company name into this website and then go search now. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that the company matches exactly with the name you're copying. A lot of times it doesn't, so if that's the case, you have to find it here or not, or the contrary, you gotta put here you didn't find. I'm gonna give you an example next. Well, so far I got this company name which match the other one, and then I have the status of active. Okay, that's important. I'm gonna click on the company name, and then I'm gonna scroll down until it says authorized person detail. Then I'm gonna copy this second part, which is the first name, and I'm gonna paste it here, and then this one here is the last name of the person. And then finally, you have to verify that make sure that this address over here matches this address of the person you are inputting in Excel. So let's go and move on to the next sample. So I got this other company name. I'm going to copy, and then to do another search, instead of going back, you're going to put the next name in this space here and click search. So I see West Adventura Exchange LLC is active. I click on the name, and then when I scroll down, I see an authorized person detail. Title manager says West Adventure Management 2 LLC. So this is another company. This is not a first and last name. So I need to copy this company in the search engine here. I find it, the company. I click on the name again. Then I scroll down and find another company. You see, this is another company. It says LLC. So I need to copy this company again, paste it here, search, and then I found it. Click on that, scroll down, and finally you find Marina Kessler. So I'm going to copy Marina name here. I'm going to copy Kessler, which is her last name here, and I'm verifying that this address matches this address, so I can move on. So what other thing that can happen is that you're going to look for the company and it's rather inactive, or it doesn't bring you the first and last name. So if that's the case, this is what we're going to do. So we're going to copy this company, paste it here, and you have to be careful because you see this is Coral Springs LLC. You have different Coral Springs, but the one that we're looking for is this one, Coral Springs LLC active. So we click on that, and when you scroll down, you find that the title manager is this other LLC, this other company. So we're going to copy, we're going to paste it here and search. And what we found is that this company is inactive. When I click on the company, I don't find the authorized person details. So if that's the case, you go here and you put none. Okay, and you leave it blank. So finally, the other thing that can happen, as I mentioned before, you go down and then you don't find anything with LLC, you don't find anything with Corp, you don't find anything with Inc. So this one here is Jose M. Garcia. So this means that Jose M is the first name. I'm going to paste it and copy here. And Garcia, I'm going to paste it and copy here. So this is what. Okay, so that's it for now. Another example is this guy here. This is Alfonso Rodriguez. Doesn't have any LLC or anything like that. So I'm going to copy the name and copy the last name separately. That's it. So if anything that you don't find on the left that are companies, you don't find it at this website, you put none. That's the only thing that you have to do.